The main advantage of this new converter is that it's a more energy efficiency than the old one. It can save 5% on the auxiliary on board of the train. Another advantage is that it is lighter than the old one. It is about 500 kilograms less, so it saves energy also for the traction. Last but not least is less noisy because it works at 15 kHz against the 8 kHz of the old one.
The main technical challenge was to develop the new technology converter together with the power component supplier. In fact, the silicon carbide components was not available at the beginning of the project, and so the supplier has developed so many iterations of components, and the main challenge was to be in phase with the design of the converter together with the supplier. Another technical challenge was also to cope with the high temperature of the silicon carbide components and the electromagnetic compatibility. In fact, the new silicon carbide components can switch 10 times faster than the old technology in IGBT in silicon. So that means that the converter has to switch the full power in 50 nanoseconds. That is a very big challenge to manage with this kind of component.